Take a ride in the 2025 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG, and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.